guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stop Discord from starting up when you open up like your computer, your laptop, or whatever. You are going to go to user settings here, and you are going to find the Windows settings here. And as you can see, I have mine enabled, so whenever I open like my computer, it will like open Discord immediately without you having to click on it. But if your startup is laggy because of this, you can just disable it so that whenever you start up your PC, Discord won't open. But I have mine enabled just so it's easier to access. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!